Guys, welcome to Picksburgh. This is Anthony.
And Lady Fella.
Where are we at?
We are on our way to Picklesburgh. And what's a better day in Pittsburgh than to eat a bunch of pickles? And apparently there's pickle riding, aka bull riding, but on a pickle. So
What?
I might get on this. I don't know.
So let's go and take a bite out of this one, guys.
I'm from the city is new. I'm from the city is new.
You're in an elevator in the parking garage, and I can smell a heavy scent of pickles all. Follow the scent of
It's official.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
hold it with the other hand.
That was just a hit. That was a hit. That tastes like pickles all by much. No, it is refreshing. And the fried pickles are cool, so.
Here we go, Mike. What'd you get?
Never forget your first.
Nice. Get her done. You feel accomplished now?
I do.
Nice.
We are here for the Duke of the Earl of Eating contest. You guys know that? Earl of Eating. Give a round of applause.
3-4. 3-4. Do you remember what that means?
It is.
Okay.
It is 3 pounds of pickles that they have to eat in 4 minutes. All right.
That's a lot, yeah.
Just to go over the rules, everybody. So you don't have to. You don't have to eat everything. If someone's done first, if they've completely done inside the 4 minutes, just keep eating until we definitely declare them a winner. All right. It's like the bingo thing. It's not a good bingo. It's a good bingo. All right.
Actually, you do have to eat everything.
Well, but
All right.
timekeepers, are you ready? All right, they're ready.
We're going to count 3, 2, 1, go. On go, you guys will start, okay? Audience, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, 4 minutes is on the clock, and we are watching everybody. They're cheering Mikey. I'm going to move over here. We had a good bit of audience members asking me to move yesterday so they could see what was happening. All right, so lots of strategies here. I know yesterday, John, we saw some people drinking the juice first because they wanted to get rid of that weight.
Exactly. And I see some have different tactics. Some are just eating the pickles out of the skin, leaving the skin behind. Some went to the larger pickles first.
Yeah. John, I've never seen someone do, yeah.
I think it's kind of a brilliant strategy because it makes everything go down, right? I don't
Yeah, and I don't see it in the rules. So this is smart.
Yeah.
I think he's been studying a lot of the pickle juice comps. Oh, Mikey's back to drinking the juice. Time score, where are we?
Come on, get him cheered. Get cheered for everyone.
Okay.
Let them know you see them.
3 minutes. 3 minutes. We already have 1 minute down, audience. All right. Guys, we got some TV cameras here. Can we give them a little Pittsburgh cheer? Let's go, Picklesburgh! There you go. Oh wow, they keep drinking. This is a smart strategy. Okay, so the juice seems to be gone on Mikey's end. How's our guy doing over there?
I can't see above it. He's taller than me, but. but
John, we'll get you a stool so you can give better commentation.
Right.
Yeah,
He
commentation.
looks like he's working it pretty well. My guy down here, he's doing good. He's got a good strategy.
I like to see, like, some of them go for the chips first and then they do the dills. Sometimes it's the reverse. I'm liking this new, like, liquid first kind of
Benny
deal.
seems very, very focused.
Yeah.
Very focused.
Okay, so these three are fierce competitors.
Mikey
You can feel
is
it.
gone. Mikey's going through like a chainsaw.
Oh, we're on the drinking at this point. You guys, we're at 2 minutes. Let's make some noise. 2 minutes. I do not want to upset anyone, but I would not be able to call this race right down here. Let me just tell you, these three each have a different way of going about it, but it's serious business. I don't even hear breathing, but they must be, because they're going fast.
They can't waste time breathing, right?
Yeah.
Waste time.
Mikey, you got
We got
some
Mike
cheering.
and Bob being cheered for here.
Time keep, where are we? Because this cannot go fast enough. Okay, we're at around 120, you guys. That's gonna go super quick, so we're gonna...
And when we get down to the last
That's my
10
wishful
seconds, we're
thinking.
gonna count together.
Oh my gosh. I took my eye off the table for a minute and you can still go, you can still go. Cole's drinking it. Mikey's not happy about that. What's our time? We got 45 seconds. Cole's drinking and
Got spillage? Is that spillage?
Bob
Does
is
that matter?
drinking. Okay. You realize he still has these left. All right, I'm just telling you, my guy. I want all of you. I'm the mom cheering for everyone. Because Bob is the secret weapon also, let me tell you guys. Bob is a secret weapon. Where are we? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put the pan
All
down.
right, go
Walk
ahead
away
and chip
from
on.
the-
Whatever's in your mouth, you can
Walk
chip
away.
on.
Yeah, all right, chipmunk on 30
Everybody
seconds.
take a
Guys,
breath.
that was scary stuff. I love me some Mikey. I love me some Michigan. I was upset with that 7-2. Bob, 0.85, 2.2, 1.84, 1.93, 1.79, 1.87. Cole, congratulations.
Cole, can you come back tomorrow?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Well,
all right.
Cole, congratulations.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, try to be official in Picklesburgh here. Let's see how this does.
All right, Mike Tyson, let's see what you got. There you go, you're official now.
2, 1, go! All right, they're on. I will check in on times. Alrighty. I think being able to touch the
Whoa.
basin is a help, right?
Allie's
There's lots of
going in.
strategies going on here. Yeah, Allie is serious.
I feel like she needs the Jaws soundtrack.
Listen, her kids, John, Allie's kids have been texting her like pump up things. They're like, Mom, you got this. Get your head in the game. So I'm anxious to hear if the others have that kind of rallying with their
I see
fan
people
base.
squinting.
Time check. All right, we are approaching 45 seconds. We're halfway through. Lots of good strategies. I see a ton of the dills that are already over into the way station. Oh, we're doing Jaws again? Okay.
All right, come on, guys.
All right, yeah, let's hear it. Who are you cheering
Oh,
for?
Vicky's going. Let's go. We only have a little bit left. Go.
30 seconds. All right, anybody from Point Park here? All right, we got Point Park. Deck hockey. Deck hockey, hockey? Come on, guys. I got you, Vicky. Woo! What about North Hills School
The
District?
big ones over here.
We got North Hills.
Oh, I'll tell you what, this is a
10,
good round.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step away. Oh, wow. God.
By 9/10 of an ounce.
Allie Mathis. Make sure her kids find out that she is the champion moving on to Sunday for becoming the Duke, no, the Earl, no, Baron of Bombing.
You see pickles.
I see pickle.
Three, two, one. Three, two, one.
Pickle lemonade brought to you by Turner. Let's try it.
In front of the Turner Mobile.
That actually tastes like pickles.
Is it good?
They're very lemony and very good actually. It's kind of refreshing.
Nice. What else did we get over there?
The Turner's zero sugar sweet tea. That's definitely sweet tea.
I shall crown thee the official queen of Picklesburgh. What did we just find here, guys? Pickle Derby Race.
2, 1.
Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you subscribe and come along for future videos. Until next video, guys, may God bless you. I hope you take it easy.
I'm from the city. I'm from the city. The city.